O la Upu Muamua e se lau maletasi I Le Gagana Samoa with English translations. Narrated by Duseigneur, Sevilla, and illustrations by Carolyn Clark. Lo'u Ainga, my family. Tina Matua, Grandma. Tama Matua, Grandpa. Alofa, love. Tina, mom. Tama, dad. Tama, boy. If you are a Tama and you have a brother, he is your uso. Tene, girl. If you are a Tene and you have a sister, she is your uso. If you are a Tene and you have a brother, he is your tuangani. If you are a Tama and you have a sister, she is your tuafafine. Lo'utino, my body. Laulu, hair. Manava, stomach. Ulu, head. Ngutu, mouth. Fatu, heart. Vai, leg. You fa'alongo with your talinga. Fa'alongo, here. Talinga, ear. You songi with your isu. Songi, smell. Isu, nose. Va'ai, see. Mata, eye. You va'ai with your mata. You tofo with your lau favor. Tofo, taste. Lau favor, tongue. You tango with your lima. Tango, touch. Lima, hand. Oli, excited. Fefe, scared. Fa'anoa, sad. Ita, mad. Malili, feeling cold. Fia, happy. Vai, tired. Ma, embarrassed. Talofa, hello. Tofa soifua, goodbye. Leai, no. Ioe, yes. Savali, walk. Tamoe, run. Taoto, laying down. Pese, sing. Siva, dance. Natura, nature. La'au, tree. La'au, leaf. Pua, flower. Fetu, star. Masina, moon. La, sun. Ngalu, wave. Nua, rainbow. Au, cloud. Meaola, animals. Tunga, eel. Tafola, whale. Pa'a, crab. Laume, turtle. Ita, fish. Fe'e, octopus. Basiketi, basketball. Kirikiti, cricket. Lakapi, rugby. Volleyball, volleyball. Soka, soccer. Va'alele, airplane. Va'a, boat. Ta'avale, car. Basi, bus. Faleoloa, store. Falesa, church. Falemeli, post office. Lo'ufale, my house. Fa'amalama, window. Moenga, bed. Alunga, pillow. Palanikeke, blanket. Ofumoe, pajamas. Faleta'ele, shower. Pulupulu, bubbles. Fasimoli, soap. Solo, towel. Taputa'ele, bath. Susu, milk. Fua, fruit. Falawa, bread. Lau, table. Nofoa, chair. Lanu, colors. Mumu, red. Moli, orange. Sama, yellow. Meamata, green. Uli, black. Pa'e, white. Piniki, pink. Moana, blue. Ina, brown. Violet, purple.